Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Make a backup of the current config file so you can revert quickly. Once done, open the user config folder and confirm the tool version matches the game. Next, launch the config editor as administrator or with proper permissions so saves apply. Make sure to note the active profile name. You'll edit that one. These steps ensure you modify the right file and avoid overwriting profiles or losing default settings. You'll now change the core fields that affect play. Start with input mappings so controls feel consistent, edit key codes, and test them immediately. Then tune performance values like render scale and max FPS to balance visuals and frame stability. After that, adjust gameplay variables, recoil scale, and spread to match your skill and server rules. Make small increments, save, and relaunch the game to confirm. If a value breaks behavior, revert using your backup, and you finish by saving edits under a distinct profile name so you can switch quickly. Then test changes in a private match to observe real-world effects, tweak as needed. If the game crashes or settings don't apply, enable debug logging and inspect the log file for parse errors or invalid keys. Make sure to clear local cache if desyncs happen, and reset network tick rate to defaults when latency issues persist. This process ensures stable, reversible configuration changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.